The 2025 Toyota Qualis makes a powerful return, blending classic utility with modern features. This new generation MIF is designed for families, fleet operators, and rural users who value durability, space, and economy. Built on Toyota's TNGA platform, the 2025 Qualis sports a bolder exterior, sharper lines, LED headlamps, and a revised grille, giving it a more premium stance while maintaining its rugged DNA. Under the hood, it offers a 2.4-liter diesel engine producing around 148 bhp and 400 Nm torque, paired with a 6-speed manual or optional automatic transmission. Toyota also offers a 2.7-liter petrol engine for selected markets, making it a versatile option. With rear-wheel drive as standard and a possible 4x4 variant in the future, it's ready for tough terrains and long journeys. Step inside and you're greeted with a revamped cabin. The dashboard is modern yet functional, featuring a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control, and improved seat ergonomics. It can seat 7 to 9 passengers, depending on the configuration. Practicality is key: multiple storage spaces, foldable seats for extra boot space, and durable fabric upholstery make it ideal for everyday use. Safety is not compromised. The 2025 Qualis includes ABS with EBD, dual airbags, reverse parking sensors, a rear view camera, and optional side and curtain airbags. Toyota's Safety Sense tech might be available in the higher trims, offering lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. In terms of pricing, the new Toyota Qualis is expected to start at around a superscript 114.5 lakh for the base variant and go up to a superscript 120 lakh for the fully loaded model. This makes it a strong contender in the MIF segment against rivals like the Mahindra Bolero Neo Plus and the Force Trax Cruiser. Whether you need a reliable people mover, a rural workhorse, or a spacious family vehicle, the 2025 Toyota Qualis delivers performance, space, and peace of mind, all wrapped in a familiar and dependable package.